Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to go over how you can cancel or suspend your Roku smart home subscription. So what we're going to do is head on over to Roku's website. I'll link this page down in the video description. If you're not already, click on where it says sign in to sign into your Roku account. And of course, when you sign in, you can enter in your Roku account, email, and password, and then click sign in. After you successfully sign into your Roku account, we can go back up here to the upper right-hand corner, hover over this icon, and then click on where it says My Account. In your My Account page, what you want to do is find where it says My Subscriptions and click on that. This is going to take you to your active subscriptions, and whichever Roku smart home subscription option that you signed up for, it should show up in this area. So I have the Roku Video Doorbell. That subscription is right here. I can go over to the side and click on where it says Manage Subscription. And then again, click on Manage where it has the Roku smart home subscription that you'd like to alter. And at this point, if you'd like to cancel your subscription, what you can do is click on where it says Turn Off Auto Renew. And your Roku home subscription will end after your current billing cycle. So then you can click on where it says Continue. And then it's asking if you're sure you want to turn off Auto Renew. And if you do, you can click here where it says Yes, Turn Off Auto Renew. And it has successfully turned off Auto Renew, so I won't be charged when my billing cycle is over. At this point, we can head back to our account page. And if you ever want to resubscribe, you can always go back to your My Subscriptions. Click on Manage Subscription. Click Add a Smart Home Camera Plan. Select your plan option. Click Continue. Select the camera that you'd like to subscribe to, continue to review. Select either the annual or the monthly plan, and then click proceed to payment, and then confirm your subscription. So I hope this video was helpful, how you can go over canceling your Roku smart home subscription or turning off the auto renew on your payment. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.